This video is a selection of the new and updated features we're excited to share with you from the March 2024 release. The full list of features can be found in the March 2024 version 20.24.3 release notes, which you can find on Brightspace Community. This month, we're highlighting the following features. Consistent link creation with the ability to choose link format in Brightspace Editor. Permissions to access and edit lookup tables and logs in D2L Link. In new content experience, directly interact with assessable activities and content. And finally, improved experience for generating quiz reports with the Quizzes tool. Let's take a closer look at this month's features. As of this release, inserting a link into Brightspace Editor opens the Add Link dialog, allowing users to determine if their links open in a new window, the default setting, or in the current window. The text box in the Add Link dialog also allows users to add text to their link. This provides users with a consistent workflow and control over how links respond in their content. The Add Link dialog opens when inserting links with the context menu or with keyboard shortcuts, for example Ctrl-K or Command-K. Additionally, the dialog includes a new Insert Quick Link option, allowing users to easily insert a quick link. The same link, text, and open-in options are displayed whether adding a link or a quick link, thus ensuring consistent link creation. Finally, this feature updates the icons shown in the Insert Quick Link to ensure all icons use the new style. Previously, adding links followed different workflows, fields, and behaviors in the way that the links would open. Navigate to Brightspace Editor and click Insert Quick Link. From the menu, click Link. In the Link dialog, enter the link URL, the link text, and select the desired open-in setting. Click Insert, then click Save and Close. The Brightspace Editor feature implements the following PI items: D9265, D7107, and D100615. Ability to set links in Open in New Window when inserting a link via the context menu. D8186. Link target is not available except from the Quick Links menu. D8051 and D8279. Enhancements and better hyperlink options in HTML editor. D100602. Consistent process for adding URL. And D100475. Making insert quick links smoother and faster. Thank you to all those who put forward these PI suggestions to implement this feature. The Brightspace Editor feature is available to all clients and is automatically enabled. It is not dependent on any additional configuration variables or permissions. With this release, D2L Link, a paid tool for clients subscribed to the D2L Link Integrations and Automation service introduced in the January 2024 release, gives users increased access to view and edit lookup tables and logs in the admin dashboard. The ability to have read-only access to logs and lookup tables has been added to the existing permission View D2L Link. Users can make changes, such as adding, editing, or removing entries to existing lookup tables with the new permission Manage Lookup Tables. In addition, users can now directly access links to logs and lookup tables from tabs. This interface update provides a better navigation experience for all users in the D2L Link admin dashboard. The D2L Link feature is available to clients who purchase the D2L Link Integrations and Automation service. It is automatically enabled. This functionality is dependent on the View D2L Link and the new Manage Lookup Tables permissions. It is not dependent on any new configuration variables. Note that D2L Link is currently only available in US EN, American English, and is limited to the US East geographic area for data hosting. New content experience now renders assignments, quizzes, discussions, and LTI assignments directly within the content tool, allowing users to view relevant content about accessible activities without being redirected to the activity in a different tool. Learners can complete activities and review feedback or grades, and instructors can view learner completion and achievement results and complete evaluation workflows without leaving the content tool. The new content experience feature is available to all clients. To enable, set the d2l.tools.content.lessonsRenderActivitiesInline configuration variable from the default state of off to on for either all org units or for individual org units. This feature is dependent on a variety of permissions depending on the tool. For more information, refer to the March 2023 release notes on Brightspace Community. To avoid timeout failures and screen freezing, the following report types now run asynchronously as of this release: attempt details, question statistics, question details, user statistics, and user attempts. Brightspace generates a notification that instructors can access from the bell icon in the navbar once reports are ready for downloading. As an instructor, navigate to Manage Quizzes and select the quiz from the report type you wish to run. Click either of the Export buttons. A notification appears indicating that the report is being generated. When it is completed, an alert is created which you can view by clicking the bell icon. The Quizzes feature is available to all clients and is automatically enabled. It is not dependent on any new or existing configuration variables or permissions. We hope you enjoyed this month's release highlights. As before, you can get the full details of this month's changes in the March 2024 version 20.24.3 release notes, which you can find on Brightspace Community. See you next month!